Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. We are in 2020 and I'm excited about it because 20 and 22 are my favorite numbers, so I don't know, I'm hoping this is my year, even though I think everyone out there is probably saying the same thing. But I wanted to ring in the new year with some Dollar Tree finds. Haven't actually been going all that frequently. I really just enjoyed some time off with my family. But I was excited to head on over today, and I had like a little small trip, actually on my birthday. So I've got a lot of goodies in here, and I'm excited to share them with you. So the first item is actually this pillow, which is kind of a strange one. I wasn't going to get this until I thought that maybe this would actually be good for our puppy. So she can either, lay on it, kind of like a dog bed. She's going to be probably pretty tiny, but otherwise she can just carry this around or use it as a toy. They had a ton of different colors of this kind. They also had some square ones that had some sayings on them, but I thought that this was really cute, and it's of course in my color scheme. I just have to chop off some tags and it will be ready to go. The next pet-related item I got is actually this microfiber placemat. This has like the pattern that says woof on it, which I thought was so cute and so fun. They had a bunch of different ones, and I can actually show you what they looked like. So this is probably way overexposed right now. But these were all the 4 different patterns, I guess you could get. But I thought this one was the cutest. So this will just go under her little dog bowls or whatever. It'll probably get dirty pretty quick because it is white, but I just could not pass this up. It does have like the little grippies on the back, and it's almost like almost feels like a memory foam. So really nice find. I don't think that this is generally a Dollar Tree brand, so I can only assume that this retailed for a lot more than $1. The next item I picked up is this Spa Life Apricot Face and Body Scrub. I don't know what the actual packaging looks like. I'm gonna open this up. So it's just this little tube of face scrub. It is sealed as well. So I'm super dry right now, and I even use like an actual exfoliating mitt on my skin, and it's still not doing enough. So I wanted to pick this up. I take a lot of baths, and since this is for face and body, I don't think it's that intense probably of a scrub, just because you don't want to use majorly exfoliating scrubs on your face. So I think it'll just be nice to have a gentle scrub for my baths, and I can even use this on my face too, because really I'm just all around dry. My scalp is just a whole different story. And then the next item is actually another Spa Life product. This is the Rejuvenating Gold Glitter Peel Off Mask. So I think this is probably similar to the other glitter masks that I picked up. I can actually, at the end of this video, I'll actually put those on here, so you can click on those and see what I'm talking about. But I'm actually gonna open this sucker up and see what it looks like, if I can get the foil off. Oh, yeah, so it's exactly the same except for it's gold. So the other one that I picked up the last time was actually a black glitter mask. So this one's, like I said, it's essentially the same thing but gold. I'll spread it out and show you what it looks like. It even smells the same, so I would assume that this is probably a similar product. The other one claimed it had charcoal in it, but did it actually? I don't know. This is what it looks like. So you got some nice little glitters in there. I don't know. See how it works. Like with the last one, I would definitely suggest only putting this on areas of like your T-zone, because this will absolutely rip any hair, anything off of your face. So use this carefully. That's my only suggestion. This next item that I picked up is a candle. So it's super duper pretty. It's basil and herbs. They had a ton of different ones, but to me this smelled the best. I feel like not everybody would love the scent of this, but I like a really nice like herby smelling candle. I haven't burnt it yet, but I just thought, number one, the packaging is cute. I think the packaging alone is probably worth more than $1. It has like this nice little mason jar closure situation, but I also love the smell of this. So this is something that I would burn during my work day. I work full-time from home, so stuff like this is kind of nice to have. Spruces up the work day a little bit for you. So they had this one. They had a few different like melon ones. I don't really remember what the other ones were, but they all had like different colored packaging. This is probably the ugliest of them all, but I loved the scent, so I couldn't pass them up. And then the last item that I picked up is this little bottle. So back to my home office, actually, I have this little Keurig coffee station at the back part of my office. I'll insert a picture here. Note to self, Kendra, put it in right now. But I have this little coffee station, but it's upstairs, and I kind of want to use like our filtered water for it. So I wanted an actual like container for the water that I'm putting in the Keurig, so I'm not using water out of like our bathroom sink upstairs. So I thought that this was really nice because it's also decorative. I've spent a lot of time trying to organize it and make it look really nice, so I don't want to mess it up. So that's why I picked this up, but I think struggling with closing it, but I think you can close it kind of like that. Yeah, so it kind of seals up too. So during the weekends I can even like throw this in my fridge and use this as a water bottle too. This was actually by the vases and stuff, so if you are on the hunt for these, I definitely see them in my Dollar Trees. Either check by the vases or by the glassware and you should be able to find this. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!